What's up, Try Again family? I'm here with Joel, aka Waldo again. It's his second day here in Indiana. And we were gonna go to Chicago today, or near Chicago, for the Quadrenalin freestyle competition, but it got rained out, so they had to reschedule for October. So now we got the whole day free. So yeah, we're gonna go fly a Bando. It's about an hour away from here. Some of my local friends have flown it already. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Very.
This is actually my second Bando. No, technically my third. I flew an abandoned bridge, but this wasn't really a building.
We don't really have any in Milwaukee, so this will be my first.
Ooh, Joel's first Bando!
We're smoking reef.
We made it to the Bando. Look at this! Oh my god, guys, this is crazy. We're about to go check it out here. There's pigeons. Is this right here how you get in? Whoa, look above us. That's trippy. We gotta crawl in under here? Is it dark in there?
Yeah.
Oh. We're gonna scout around and find a way in and up to the upper level. There might be an open door. It does look like an open door. Hey, listen, I just want everyone to know that the door was open and it says 666 on it, so we know the risks. Yo, it's like, oh, here, the stairs are right here. Yo, might have to pull around front. All right, we're gonna scout it out.
Ain't about me, ain't about me. Gotta cook it up, cause my niggas hungry. Ain't about me, ain't about me. Gotta cook it up, cause my niggas hungry. Throw money in the air, can't drop the bar. If I do black modes on call. Ain't about me, ain't about me. Yeah, I used to ask for change in the streets. Now I'm changing the streets. Mama, I'ma break you off. Yeah, tell me what you need. I'm the new swap meet. I told you I'ma break you off. I'ma break you off. Oof. Yeah, I'ma break you off. Everybody wanna break. They don't wanna pay the cost. Y'all niggas cook, no need for prep. They just want mentions. I got the check. No need for wallet, don't pay for shit. Check the way a nigga from Compton sell his shit. But it ain't about me, ain't about me. Gotta cook it up, cause my niggas hungry. Ain't about me, ain't about me. Gotta cook it up, cause my niggas hungry. Throw money in the air, can't drop the bar. If I do black modes on call. Ain't about me, ain't about me. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Go and get out. Get up, get up, get up, get up.
Everything about Chick Hanks I like.
Nigga, I'm a bitch. How could you tell? I'm skipping to the bank, bars A's like Pharrell. They treat me like a dog, whatever, fuck this industry. Pretty in the face, touch my body, call it infantry. Man, you been a hoe, I'm against since infancy. Only way you get to me is if you put that fucking pistol in the middle. Enemy, always moving goalposts is killing me. You wanna finish me, but this ain't MK. Put them 30s in them 40s, bitches play this melee. Cause when I pull the pistol out, they sing like LMA. Because when niggas do be different from what niggas say. I pistol whip a nigga dressed like I caught the bouquet. Worth the dot, these crackers wanna hunt me. Hold my heart, thought I wouldn't bust back, bitch, I ain't Rosa Parks. Sup daddy, catch me
Hey, nigga, you got that shit. Hey, show 'em how come to do it. Hey, nigga, show
Looking for the sauce. Murder with the beats, boy, press no change up. Homie, get your weight up. Shit so good, but it ain't containers. Ain't about me, ain't about me.
Y'all niggas cook, no need for prep. They just want mentions, I got the check. No need for wallet, don't pay for shit. Check the way a nigga from Compton sell his shit. But it ain't about me, ain't about me. Gotta cook it up, cause my niggas hungry. Ain't about me, ain't about me. Gotta cook it up, cause my niggas hungry. Throw money in the air, can't drop the ball. If I do, glad moves on call. Ain't about me, ain't about me. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, go and get out. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, go and get out. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, go and get out. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, go and get out.
That was good. Flying around, breaking their drones. We are the Bando, boys. Why you just sent it so hard for no reason? Oh man, that was a close one, guys. He almost landed up there. He's very lucky.
Brand climbed the wall again. Oh shit.
Rubik's Cube.